I know that girls are always sincere, but boys are not. Am I right? Bye karo bhai. Finally, we completed our Bakchudi right now. Hi everyone, today is day 25 and my first clip of this day was starting on fire station by working. I am going to college today, as I told yesterday that I will go to the college today for my thesis work. That's why I did not able to make the video from the morning. Finally, I have already done my shower and already done my puja, so I am going right now to my college because there is some thesis work was pending. Along with another good news is present that today I have already bought a mobile phone which I have already ordered yesterday for my father. Finally, that phone came and that already reached to my village also, and my brother is working on it but to ready it for use. That's a good thing because another part is that our parents do a lot of things for us, but unfortunately we do not do any kind of thing for them. And while I was thinking about whether I will order the phone or not, because I have not that kind of amount of money in me, that's why I was thinking about it whether I will do or not. But another thing came into my mind that why thinking so much? Because they never think about anything to give us. They give the best thing which can they offer to us. So whenever it's time for us to provide something or give something, then why thinking about a lot to whether I will order or not? That's why I was talking with my mother whether when I will order that phone. Then I finally decided that no, it's time to just order it because no need to think a lot about this because they did a lot for us. So it is our responsibility because my father was telling that no, my phone is working and it has already defective and it has already gone to mobile repair shop. Still he is telling that no, it's okay, I am not interested to invest or in such liabilities and in other expenses also. But I ordered it and finally it was reached right now in my home. And definitely father will not speak that whether he is happy or not, but definitely from inside, because male never shows, boys never shows the emotion, the feelings of themselves. They just try to hide it. But yes, as because I am a boy, I am a male, I can feel that what kind of emotion, what kind of state of mind they have right, he has right now. So that's a good part. As the duty of my become a son, I have already did it, and I will try to, whenever that kind of opportunity will come, I will definitely do that thing. So I am happy today. Let's see what happened today, and I hope I will show you the college campus scenario. So stay connected. Finally, I reached to my college, and here it is. This is the Capital Law College, Bhubaneswar. I am entering N8. This is the building, and aside it the temple is there. This is the parking side, and behind this there is also building present there. I will show you sometime again. Right now I am showing you the upper visuals. This is the 3 years class. This is the 3-year section, and because this Capital Law College is 5-year LLB and 3-year both, you can do after plus 2 and after graduation. There is 2 segment are there. When after plus 2, this is integrated BLLB, and else it will be simple. Class होनी की? I was having with little bit conversation with the madam, so right now I'm going to down. I probably might show you the background view or background. This is the 3 years campus. I might or able to show you or not, I don't know, because first of all I have to consult with teacher. I have to show him my thesis paper. Then if I will get the time, then I will definitely show you about the back 5 years classes. So bye bye. I have some time to go on the backside of this college where the 5 years classes are going on. You will not find any student in the college right now because the internal exam has already finished. That's why the students are not coming to the colleges. So let's see. Finally, I am with my juniors, and I am the super senior, not senior. So we are going to above to show our class. I have already completed my 5 years BLLB there. Now I will show you our classroom. There are a lot of memories here. Huh? Celebrity. So we are going ahead. These are the classroom. You can see that there are 3 year students are giving the exam. There was internal exam. And this is the classroom. But there is no student present here. Sabka saath, sabka vikas. Sabka saath. So this is our classroom, but no one is here. And many things are written in the table so that during exam time it will be easy to copy all these things from these 2 paper. I am just showing you. You can see that there are full of writings are present. So but there is no copy occurring here, but only we write all these things there. No cheats are allowed. That's why this is not the story of one bench. Everywhere it is written something. Everything. Everywhere, everything. So this is the good thing. Because the college it is restricted because you are not using any cheat. That's why students are write all these things in the table so that it will be helpful from them when they will giving the exam. And this is the place. I am showing you the background of it. This is the background, and here this is the place where I mostly when I come to college, just by placing a chair here, I just sit down and by looking the beautiful scenery from this. And here in my backside there is a car washroom, and every time whenever we are in the class, it will create the disturbance only. Finally, our college is over right now because right now I'm doing my master's here. My 5 years LLB has completed. So I'm going to show you my 5th year classroom. Finally, we are talking with our class teacher, but she denied that she will not come in the camera. So I am just making alone this vlog, and this is our classroom. This is the final semester where we are studying, and this is our room. Mostly, I was sitting there. I was sitting there. But finally, the class is over right now, and no one is here. Some students are there because there are a lot of vocals are present here, and these are the final year students, but not coming today to the class. This was actually because definitely this will over because this video will remember myself that there is a beautiful memories happened here, and we have did a lot of things. We are danced here, we are making fun here, everything we did here. So this is the best memorable thing for us. So definitely wherever you are, just try to capture the video so that it will be a memorable thing for you in future also. Am I right? So you are, he is agreeing on me. So wherever you are, just try to capture the clips. And if you have not got enough store on your phone, then just upload in YouTube. So whenever you just want it, you will get the clip and enjoy this. So this is all about this today's video. And anyone of you want to say anything? Anyone of you want to say anything? ODR anything. Capital college is law. Capital college is law. Law. Okay, see, he is telling that Capital Law College is law. He's single now, but his love is the Capital College.
In this 4.5 years of our
I think
degree college, we have secured many good memories as well as some hard ones.
harsh one. Then okay, no issue. She's okay. No issues.
So we have
Become more than everybody.
good and harsh memories also. We have secured some good and harsh memories also. But we have seen a life that is apart from the 17 years which we have seen in our team. In this stage of the adulthood, we have seen many cases regarding law and other stuffs which help an aspect of our life as well as change our perspective of some people also and the society. So we have, I want to say at last, if you want to pursue anything, pursue with your interest.
Definitely.
Thank you.
But his all statement is like a philosophical person. His love is mostly for entertainment purpose. Not only entertainment, but okay, that's the good point he is telling about that. Life is all about the good things and the some good memories and some bad memories. So definitely wherever you are right now, whenever it is a good thing and bad thing, it creates the memory. Okay, and apart from these 5 boys which are present here, all are singing. I think. Am I right? The philosophical person is mingle. Apart from him, all of us are singing. I am from single, Akhanda single from 7 years. From the childhood, I am right now singing.
Okay.
Can
you please say something?
you
3 years old like that.
Okay, she's busy in her assignment, so I would not like to list of her because I know that girls are always sincere, but boys are not. Am I right? Yes. She also agree on me. So this is all about today's vlog, and I hope you also enjoy this vlog. So stay connected, and we will see with you in the next part. So bye bye. Bye करो भाई. Bye bye.
Finally, we completed our Bakchudi. Right now, I am returning to my.
Leaving the college campus.
We have already have a good conversation. Fruitful, good conversation, but there is nothing any kind of good topic. But the conversation was good.
Still going on.
The conversation which
Still was on.
brings smile on your face, that kind of conversation has already done. So this is all about this video. So we'll see you in the next clip. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Peace out.